Hello everyone, welcome back to the Zoho Forms series. In episode 2, we are exploring the rules step, how to make your forms dynamic, smarter and cleaner. We will cover all 5 rule types: field rules, choice-based field rules, form rules, page rules, and deny submissions. I will show you how to configure each rule with real examples, and we will test them in preview so you can follow along. Let's get started. First up, field rules. These let you show or hide fields or make them required based on earlier answers. We have added 2 new fields, a drop-down field called Country of Residence with options like India, Canada, and other. A text field called State or Province, which we will conditionally show. Now go to Rules. Select Configure Now under Field Rules. Under If, choose the trigger field Country of Residence, and the condition is going to be India. Under Then, show the state or province field. Optionally, also set Make Required. Save the rule. Now we are going to preview this rule. Select India, then the state or province field shows up. Select Canada or other, it remains hidden. Choice-based field rules or dependency rules. These let one choice field change the options available in another. We have created 2 drop-down fields called Department, which is a primary choice field, and a dependent choice field called Supplies Requested. Now, go to Rules, Choice-based field rules, and click on Configure Now. Select primary field as Department and dependent field as Supplies Requested. Now for mapping, we will select Marketing and we will show items like brochures, flyers and markers. For finance, the options are going to be calculators, receipt organizers. For sales, business cards and promo items are going to be our options. Click Save. Now we are going to preview. If I select the department as marketing, supplies dropdown shows only marketing relevant options. If finance and etc., it will show the options accordingly. Form rules. Form rules let you take actions when someone submits the form. These can include redirecting, sending emails, showing specific thank you pages, etc. Ensure your form has a field such as rating. Now go to Rules, Form Rules, and click on Configure Now. The condition is going to be if the rating is less than or equal to 3, then we can define an email notification to internal team. We will send them a message saying low rating feedback received. And we will direct respondent to custom thank you page or a URL. Now save the rule. When the user gives rating less than or equal to 3, an email notification will be sent to them to take further actions. Now on to page rules. Use these in multi-page forms to skip or jump pages based on responses, so respondents don't have to go through irrelevant sections. We have built a multi-page form. These are the pages: personal info, travel preferences, accommodation details, and summary or confirmation. Go to Rules, Page Rules, and click on Configure Now. We will set an example condition. So, if the travel type equals international, then we will skip the page 2, which is travel preferences, and go directly to page 3, which is accommodation details. Now I will save the rule and we are going to preview the form. In page 1, I will select the travel type as international. Now the page 2 is skipped, and if I select the travel type as domestic, the pages will flow normally. Finally, deny submissions. This blocks form submission entirely if your conditions are not met, showing a custom message instead. This is useful for age checks, eligibility, etc. Zoho supports up to 5 such rules. Make sure you have a form field to test with. Example, age. Go to Rules, Deny Submissions, and click on Configure Now. Give the rule a name, example, age restriction. In the Deny Submission If section, set condition age is less than 18. Optionally, add more conditions per your logic. In Show Denial message, enter something like, you must be at least 18 to apply. Save the rule and preview your form. In the age field, enter 17. Now the form shows the denial message and submission is disabled. If I enter the age as 18, the form allows the submission. Great job! Now you know how to use all 5 rule types in Zoho Forms. Here are some quick tips to keep your forms clean and effective. Plan your form logic ahead to avoid rule conflicts. Test all possible user paths in preview mode to make sure every scenario works. Use clear, user-friendly field labels so respondents know what's happening. Don't overload your form with too many rules. Simplicity helps maintain performance and understandability. In the next episode, we will shift focus from the Rules tab into the Settings tab. I will show you how to configure general settings, email and notifications, form availability, branding, storage, and more. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and tell me in the comments which rule scenario you want me to demonstrate next.